Ah, Greece. Greece, Greece, Greece. Wouldn't it be nice to get outside and go to Greece?
NANI?!
I say, let's get the hell out of here, baby.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight.
Welcome back to Max the Sensei channel, everybody. Today we are gonna talk about everything you need to know about Greece. Our first episode, let's go! Episode 1. Alright, in today's first episode, we're gonna share with you 5 different places you need to visit in beautiful Athens. We got 4 places where you can eat and 1 awesome place where you can chill. We're also going to show you the streets of Athens as we experience it for the first time as first-time visitors. From this little vantage point, you can see the entire Athens laid out right in front of you. So beautiful, so majestic, so beautiful. It's really gorgeous. Athens, one of the most beautiful and picturesque cities on earth. The birthplace of Western civilization, with a vast number of ancient sites and tourist attractions. There is the world-famous Acropolis site, which contains the remains of several ancient buildings like the Parthenon, and a million other corners of the city you must visit. But first, how did we get there? From the airport, we have rented this awesome guy called Michael. He was our driver. He took us all the way from the airport into the heart of Athens. We paid 35 euros for his amazing service. I highly recommend Michael. He's an awesome, cool driver, and he knows his way around Athens. If you want to hire Michael, his phone number is in the link in the description. This being our first time visiting, we had to stop by our hotel and drop our luggage, and then head on outside and tackle the big city head on without knowing anything.
I forget the time, and I don't know their names, but I still hear you laughing like you do in the middle of a crowded place. Never missed a moment, but if memory slips away, as long as it was me and you, I don't care if the rest of it fades. Tomorrow may get lost, but I'll be there with you. The universe on pause, as long as I'm with you. As long as I'm with you.
Alright, this reminds me of Istanbul a little bit. The streets are really narrow here. So cute, the apartments, the way they laid out. Every little balcony has some sort of vegetation to cover against the sun. It's really cute. Reminds me of a neighborhood in Istanbul. Here's another example of how beautiful this place is. Just look at this little street here. It's amazing. Honestly, just look at this beautiful street. All the streets here in Athens are like this. There's a lot of cafes where people chill, a lot of vegetation, a lot of trees. Truly beautiful and picturesque. Guys, I gotta say the coolest thing that I've seen so far, walking here for 2 minutes, trees like this.
As long as I'm with you.
And they have fruits. It's I think it's oranges. That's crazy. If you want an orange, it's right there for free. No need to go to Carrefour, you know? Not so fast, you numb nuts. Those are not oranges. Later, he'll find out the hard way.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
After walking around the beautiful streets of Athens for the first time in our life, we have stumbled upon this awesome little spot where we had our first ever Greek food. And man, it was delicious. This little cafe is located right here on this here map. It's not too far away from Acropolis, and this entire area, as we discovered, is outstanding, gorgeous and magnificent. Here are some of the prices for the drinks. Hot tea goes for €4, iced tea €3.80. They also serve fresh juices, and those go anywhere from €4 to 5 to 6.5. And the most important thing that you have to try if you are in Greece is their gyros. Gyros? I still don't know how to pronounce it, goddammit. They have it made with pork, with chicken, with beef, and all the greatest ingredients that Greece has to offer. That goes for €9.80. I highly recommend you guys try their gyros here. It's like nothing you've tasted before. We paid around €30 for some delicious coffee. Gyros. Again, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Gyros.
Highly recommend you guys. If you are around here in Athens, stop and enjoy and have some fun. Alright, you guys, it's getting crazy out here. We have a lot of traffic, a lot of people, a lot of restaurants. We have stopped in another beautiful cafe. We really like the menu. The food was really delicious. If you are in this area, make sure you stop at least at 1 or 2 cafes because it's really delicious, man. Very tasty, very delicious, very clean. And the place looks picturesque. It's like a place from a postcard. Honestly, you have to stop and enjoy some of the food in this amazing place. This cafe is located right here on this map. As you can see, this cafe is located not too far off from this amazing, beautiful square with this awesome and very old Byzantine church. This square is a walking distance from the cafe. I highly recommend you guys get some burgers at this cafe because it's really delicious. And this entire area is just beautiful. You could walk in this area all freaking day. It's so beautiful and so picturesque. We wouldn't know where to go without our friend who helped us out. Her name is Ira. She helped us out. Ira, thank you so much. She took us to all the most craziest and picturesque spots in town. And speaking of picturesque, check the next cafe. Wow. Here is the maps for the little Kook cafe, and you can see that it's also located in this central area of Athens. You can take a walk from one cafe to another, from one place to another, and simply enjoy your life. If you don't have a local guide in Athens to show you around, don't worry, I got you covered. All the Google Maps locations for all the places that we have visited in beautiful Athens is going to be linked in the description down below. Check the Google Maps locations and have fun.
Welcome to Botanical National Garden.
This park is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. As you enter, on one side there's a lot of trees and lots of vegetation. This park is truly beautiful. It's dead center in the middle of the city. Highly recommend you guys come and visit this park. Guys, look at this awesome beautiful lake that we found just right here. As you enter, it's right on the left hand side. I don't know if you're gonna find it, but if you do, stop and enjoy this beautiful view. Holy moly guacamole, I wish we had something like this in Dubai. Baby, what do you think of this beautiful lake?
I love it.
It's gorgeous. This awesome and beautiful, amazing park is located right in the center of the city. Here's the Google Maps location so you can see it's right behind this Parliament building, and it's huge. The entrance to the park is absolutely free, and our favorite part of this location was its lakes and the gorgeous, amazing, huge palm trees that they have. keep seeing these apples or oranges. I don't know what the hell they are, baby. Do you know? I have no idea. We're in the park in the middle of Athens, and I'm about to break the law. And let's go get it. Follow me. But don't tell anybody, all right? So if you follow me this way, we're going to see this orange right here. I really want to try it. It's sour. It's really not good. So it is not an orange. So don't die, don't break the law in Athens. Just put it back where it belongs and give it back to nature. Let's get out of here. Oh boy, when will he stop putting random things in his mouth? Man, this park is absolutely gorgeous. And did I mention, I highly recommend this park. There's so many things to see here. This park is such a good idea for a visit after a long days of walking around beautiful Athens. We have walked for around 10 or 20 kilometers that day, but of course we were not done. There was one more thing we need to see. Okay guys, so we're trying to go to this beautiful site. It's a mountain. We decided to get the metro. We want to explore and see how it works. Woohoo, let's go! Oh boy, the metro ride was crazy. We didn't know what the hell we were doing because we got lost. God damn it. Okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. You see, we wanted to go to this little mountain right here that's not too far off from the national park. Here's the mountain and here's the national park. Very close to each other. Here's the mountain and here's the national park. Where we ended up instead is all the way here. How the hell did we end up here? Oh my god, Ira, why did you leave us alone? Of course we decided to take a walk in beautiful Athens, but we did not expect to get lost like this. And of course, instead of going in a straight line, we had to zigzag our way through the whole thing. But once we got to the top, oh my goodness, what a place.
As long as I'm with you.
Alright, looks like on that side we have some water over there. We got mountains here on this top, this little beautiful tree, and lots of houses right here. Simply gorgeous, honestly. What a view. Absolutely crazy. Wow, what a place. Here's the restaurant, you guys. This is the hidden gem of a place. Honestly, it was very tough to get here, but we finally did it. What a crazy view that is. Wow. I honestly don't think it can get better than this.
The name of this awesome place is Zakynthos Cafe, and it has one of the most gorgeous views in town.
As long as I'm with you.
We ordered ourselves some club sandwiches and some amazing delicious potatoes. We got some coffee, and for everything we paid 25 euros. The cool thing about this place is that there are no tourists whatsoever. It's only the local people that know this hidden gem. Of course, I'm gonna leave the Google Maps location of this awesome place in the description down below. And one little tip that I can give you, if this is your first time in Athens, do get a taxi. It was quite lucky of us to get lost. Ira, thank you so much for leaving us behind. Well, alright, in this first episode we shared with you our experience of walking the streets of Athens for the first time. We shared 5 awesome places where you can eat and you have to visit: Sparta Point, Pax Burgers, Little Kook Cafe, Zakynthos Cafe, and Botanical National Garden. In the next episode, we're gonna show you how to rent a car.
This is how you rent a car in beautiful Greece.
I'm also going to do a review of the Airbnb apartment that we have rented.
Here's the bathroom, as you can see. A nice beautiful mirror here.
And get this, we'll share with you our experience of driving all the way from beautiful Athens to the island of Zakynthos.
Well, alright you guys, welcome to Zakynthos. I hope I'm pronouncing this correct. Baby, how do you pronounce it?
When will I learn to pronounce things? God damn it. Yes, sounds crazy, but on our second day we rented a car and went on a road trip across Greece all the way to this beautiful island.
Road trip in Greece is one of the coolest things that you can do. Honestly, with a view like this, I can drive all day.
If you enjoyed this episode, leave it a like and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Don't forget to hire Michael if you need a taxi driver. Don't forget to check all the Google Maps locations for all of the places that we have visited. And as a bonus, if you're traveling here for the first time and you don't know what papers you need, what visas you need, whether or not you need a visa, check the iVisa link in the description to see all the information regarding traveling to beautiful Greece in one place. These guys can assist you with all the travel requirements, all the documentation, and everything you need to know if you want to travel to beautiful Greece. Thank you iVisa team for supporting the channel. This is an affiliate link. If you use this affiliate link, I make a little kickback so I can make some money and go travel. Click the link.